Hey guys, I know I said don't ask teach me how to draw, but I'm just gonna teach you how to draw animatronic island OCs and draw over any character. Or first pick a character. Now pick your species of animal. Now trace over it. It can be any animal you want. By the way, it can be a mythical or a sea land creature. They don't have to be in any groups. So pick a color of your choice. And pick a style of your choice. And do any hairstyle you want. And the reason why the hat's not here, and you can go to Pixar and choose hair and hat. So, okay, you're good.